Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer Worldcoin to Bitget wallet. So the first step that you have to do is to access Bitget deposit. So you just have to log into your verified Bitget account, and then you will need to navigate to the asset management area to find the deposit function. So the next one is to select coin and network. So this is a very crucial step. So you must select the Optimism or the OP network because the Worldcoin or the WLD from the Worldcoin app is usually on this L2 network. So mismatching the network will result in lost funds. So this is a very crucial. You must select Optimism or the OP network. Next is to copy the wallet address. So the unique Optimism network address will appear. So you just have to use the copy button to ensure that this address is correct and avoid manual typing errors. Next is to send from the World app. So you just have to paste the Bitget Optimism address that we have covered earlier, which is in the step 3, and then enter the amount of WLD that you wish to transfer and then authorize the transaction. And lastly is to confirm and track deposit. So the transaction is now on the Optimism network. So monitor the status in the deposit history, and then you can select, the section of your Bitget wallet app until the Worldcoin or the WLD balance is credited to your wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!